Hey everybody, welcome back to AMA Garage 253. That's Andrew.
Hey guys.
Not gonna say my name?
It's Chris. You guys already know who he is.
Anyways, welcome back. So tonight we're gonna make a custom license plate frame with an extension to bring it up off of away from the bike for a Honda Grom.
Yeah, so we just did the video last week regarding the modification for a kickstand. This week we're going to do a modification for the license plate holder. My buddy has a Grom. He just got an aftermarket exhaust, which the two tailpipes come out straight out of the back, but there's really no place to mount the license plate. So the initial idea is to get a bracket, just kind of this. We just bent this a little bit ago. Get a flat piece where the license plate will mount onto there, and it's going to go between the two pipes of the exhaust on the Grom. So,
if you guys don't know what Groms are, look them up. They're actually pretty cool bikes. So, about Andrew's size.
Yep,
So.
125cc, fun little cross rocket, small miniature, a little bit bigger than a Honda Ruckus, but smaller than a normal cross rocket bike. Or
two-stroke, right?
I believe, yeah, I don't know.
I can't remember. I haven't looked them up in a while, but really cool bikes. Anyways, sit back and enjoy while we make this. If you got a Grom and you get this type of tailpipe setup, this is the video for you.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the piece that's bent. Like I said, the exhaust kind of comes out of the bike about this way. So we're going to make sure that the mounting point is going to be somewhat straight to as you're looking at the back of the bike. So we're going to take the mounting bracket, try to figure out the angle that we're going to mark it at. So we're going to mark the top and then the bottom, so that way we know exactly where to position the plate when it's cut. So we can see we got the marks. We're going to cut the bottom half. Obviously the top's going to stay because that's going to be the top of the plate. And then a little bit later we'll clean everything up and then weld it up.
So the paint markers are actually pretty handy. According to this, it says marks on most surfaces. Not sponsored.
And that's the same marker that we use for the kickstand. So it works really good with the metal. It stays, it dries really quick. And it's, you can see it's already.
Yeah.
So.
Pretty handy.
Yep.
All right, we'll get the cutting.
So those are pieces right there. As you saw, we had marked them out. The Washington motorcycle plates are 7 inches from end to end. So that's what this piece is going to be, is 7 inches. We have this bracket, which we marked out 8 inches. Depending on where he's exactly going to drill the holes into the section in between the exhaust. We just made it a little bit longer, so if it is too long, we'll cut it. If it's too perfect, then you can drill the holes and mount it all up.
So our next step is we're going to be cleaning these pieces of metals up so that we get a decent weld when we do that. And we'll leave these marks, but we'll clean up all around it, and then we'll do some quick tacks and then do some permanent welds.
Yep, we'll tack it so that way if we need to make any changes, you can actually break it off. If we like it, then we'll go ahead and weld it up. So
yep,
that's where we're at right now.
Alrighty.
So there we go. That's what it looks like. For some reason, our camera wasn't working.
Operator error.
For that, yeah. So we'll get some other shots. It won't be as far as what we wanted, but what we basically did, which you will end up seeing, is had Chris hold this, and then we ended up tacking it, making sure that that's kind of the angle. Like I said, the exhaust sits like this, so it's going to mount in between the two, and we just wanted to make sure that angle of the plate is going to be, you know, what we want. So once we liked it and it was straight, then we just continue welding the two sides up, and then you just saw Chris cleaning up all the rust and everything, because we're going to end up cleaning it with acetone and then spraying it just a gloss black. So So you saw we just took one of this is actually Chris's old license plate off his 58 Apache that you saw in other videos. Obviously this is way bigger than a motorcycle plate, but just to get the edges cut, that's what we're going to use, just to get some kind of edge on them comparable to sharp.
Yeah, just round them off. Well, that really did come out weak.
It's probably just grab a cut off disc. I'll just
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I added a couple photos of my buddy's Grom that the license plate bracket was installed on. It was pretty simple, fun to do, and you guys can do it at home. So we just want to say thank you for liking and subscribing. We really appreciate it, and hopefully here soon we'll have some more content regarding some of the stuff we do in the shop. Thank you, be safe, have a good day.